As the continent became isolated, powerful ocean currents surrounded Antarctica and trapped freezing water around it. Over millions of years, snow piled higher and higher until a massive ice sheet covered almost the entire continent. In some places, that ice is nearly 3 miles thick, preserving an ancient world that has remained untouched for millions of years. For centuries, no one knew what was hidden beneath the ice. Then modern technology changed everything. Using satellites, radar, and seismic scanners, scientists began mapping the continent without drilling through it. What they discovered shocked the scientific world. Antarctica wasn't just a frozen desert. It was hiding mountains, valleys, rivers, and enormous lakes beneath the ice. One of the most incredible discoveries was the Gamburtsev mountain range. These massive mountains are almost as tall as the Alps, yet no human has ever seen them with their own eyes. They have remained completely buried beneath thick layers of ice for millions of years. Scientists still don't fully understand how such a huge mountain range formed in the middle of Antarctica. Then came another astonishing discovery. Hidden beneath the ice were hundreds of underground lakes. The largest, known as Lake Vostok, has been sealed beneath nearly 2.5 miles of ice for around 15 million years. No sunlight has ever reached its waters during that time. Scientists believe it may contain life forms unlike anything ever seen on Earth. The mystery became even stranger when scientists detected unusual radio signals rising from deep beneath the ice. These signals appeared to come from below the surface instead of from space, which surprised researchers around the world. While experts continue to investigate, no single explanation has been confirmed. The discovery sparked new questions about what may still be hidden beneath Antarctica. Satellite images have fueled countless debates. Some people believe they reveal giant pyramids or hidden structures beneath the snow. Scientists say these shapes are most likely natural mountains carved by millions of years of ice and wind. Even so, the images continue to spread across the internet, keeping one question alive. Could Antarctica still be hiding secrets that no one has discovered yet? Despite decades of research, Antarctica remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Almost 98% of the continent is covered by ice, making exploration incredibly difficult. Every expedition reveals something unexpected, reminding scientists that vast areas beneath the frozen surface have never been directly studied by humans. One reason Antarctica fascinates researchers is that it may preserve Earth's ancient history better than anywhere else. Layers of ice act like a frozen archive, trapping tiny bubbles of air from hundreds of thousands of years ago. By studying these samples, scientists can learn how Earth's climate changed long before human civilization existed. Scientists have also discovered ancient rivers buried beneath the ice. These waterways flowed millions of years ago, long before Antarctica became a frozen desert. Today, some of them still carry water deep below the ice sheet, slowly reshaping the landscape in ways we are only beginning to understand. Another surprising discovery is that the ice itself is constantly moving. Although it appears solid and motionless, massive glaciers slowly flow toward the ocean every single day. This movement can crack the ice, reveal hidden landscapes, and even expose clues that have remained buried for countless generations. Deep beneath Antarctica, scientists have found more than 600 hidden lakes. Some may be connected by underground rivers, creating a secret network beneath the ice. Because these waters have been isolated for millions of years, researchers believe they could contain unique microbes that evolved in complete darkness. These discoveries have changed the way scientists search for life beyond Earth. If tiny organisms can survive in Antarctica's freezing lakes without sunlight, similar life might exist beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. Antarctica has become a natural laboratory for exploring one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone? Not every mystery has a dramatic answer. Some unusual shapes seen in satellite images have gone viral because they resemble pyramids or giant doorways. Scientists explain that these formations are natural peaks exposed by wind and melting ice. Even so, the images continue to fuel endless debate across the internet. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't what we found, but what we haven't. Nearly the entire continent remains hidden beneath an ice sheet that is up to 3 miles thick. Every year, new technology reveals details that were impossible to see before, suggesting that Antarctica still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. The harsh environment makes every expedition a challenge. Temperatures can fall below -80 degrees Celsius. Violent storms appear without warning, and months of darkness cover the continent during winter. These extreme conditions limit exploration, leaving huge areas beneath the ice completely untouched. Despite these dangers, scientists continue returning year after year. Every new mission brings improved radar systems, advanced satellites, and robotic technology capable of exploring places humans cannot reach. With every discovery, Antarctica becomes even more mysterious, proving that we have only begun to uncover its hidden past. Many experts believe the next major discovery could happen at any time. A new underground lake, an unknown ecosystem, or evidence of ancient climate changes could completely reshape our understanding of Earth's history. Antarctica is one of the few places where a single discovery can rewrite science textbooks. Whether the mysteries beneath Antarctica lead to new life, forgotten landscapes, or incredible scientific breakthroughs, one thing is certain. This frozen continent still guards countless secrets beneath its endless ice. And until every corner is explored, Antarctica will remain one of the greatest mysteries on our planet. What do you think is really hidden beneath Antarctica? Is it simply an untouched world shaped by nature, or could there be discoveries that will surprise humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, subscribe to the Hidden Files and join us as we uncover the world's greatest mysteries, one file at a time. Scientists believe that less than 1% of Antarctica's hidden world has been directly explored. Every new scan reveals features that no one expected to find. Some researchers even compare the continent to another planet because so much of it remains completely unknown. One of the most fascinating discoveries is a network of rivers flowing beneath the ice. These hidden waterways move slowly through the darkness, connecting lakes separated by hundreds of miles. Without them, many underground ecosystems might not survive at all. In 2013, scientists confirmed that water from one hidden lake could travel beneath the ice into another. This changed everything. Instead of isolated pockets of water, Antarctica may contain an enormous underground system stretching across the continent. The pressure beneath the ice is almost impossible to imagine. In some places, thousands of feet of ice push down with incredible force. Yet despite these extreme conditions, liquid water continues to exist, warmed by heat rising from deep inside the earth. Researchers have discovered microscopic organisms living in some of these extreme environments. They survive without sunlight, feeding on minerals instead of plants. These remarkable life forms prove that life can exist in places once thought to be completely impossible. That discovery excited space agencies around the world. If life can survive beneath Antarctica's frozen surface, perhaps similar organisms exist beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. Antarctica may be the closest thing we have to another world. Scientists are now developing robots designed to melt through thick ice and explore these hidden lakes without contaminating them. Future missions could capture the first images of environments that have remained untouched for millions of years. Every expedition brings new surprises. Hidden valleys, ancient rock formations, and unknown landscapes continue to appear on radar maps. The more scientists discover, the more they realize how much is still waiting beneath the ice. Some researchers describe Antarctica as Earth's final frontier. We have mapped the surface of Mars in greater detail than many regions buried beneath Antarctic ice. That incredible fact shows just how mysterious this continent truly remains. Antarctica also hides volcanoes. Scientists have identified more than 100 volcanic structures beneath the ice. Most are believed to be inactive, but a few may still produce heat. That underground warmth helps keep some hidden lakes in a liquid state, even beneath miles of solid ice. One of the biggest surprises came when radar revealed deep canyons stretching for hundreds of miles. These valleys were carved by ancient rivers long before Antarctica froze. Today they remain perfectly preserved beneath the ice like a snapshot from another world. Every ice core tells a story. Tiny air bubbles trapped inside contain samples of Earth's ancient atmosphere. By studying them, scientists can look back hundreds of thousands of years and understand how our planet's climate has changed through time. This information is helping researchers predict the future. By understanding how Antarctica reacted to past climate changes, scientists can better estimate what may happen if global temperatures continue to rise during the coming centuries. Even today, satellites discover features that no one noticed before. Improved technology allows researchers to map the hidden landscape with incredible accuracy. Every update reveals new mountains, valleys, and underground waterways beneath the frozen surface. Some areas remain completely unexplored because reaching them is simply too dangerous. Blizzards, freezing temperatures, and shifting ice make many locations nearly impossible to access. In some places, robots may arrive long before humans ever do. Many scientists believe the greatest discoveries are still ahead. Hidden ecosystems, unknown geological formations, or completely new species of microscopic life could still be waiting beneath the ice, untouched for millions of years. Antarctica reminds us how much of our own planet remains a mystery. We often imagine that the greatest discoveries will happen in space. Yet some of the biggest unanswered questions are buried right here on Earth beneath endless ice. Every expedition adds another piece to the puzzle, but the full picture is still missing. With every answer comes another mystery, making Antarctica one of the most fascinating places scientists have ever studied. Perhaps one day, new technology will uncover a discovery that changes history forever. Until then, the frozen continent will continue guarding its secrets beneath miles of ancient ice, waiting for the next generation of explorers to reveal the truth. Every year, thousands of scientists travel to Antarctica, hoping to answer questions that have puzzled humanity for decades. Yet every expedition returns with the same conclusion. The frozen continent still holds far more secrets than answers. Some discoveries take years to understand. Scientists often spend months analyzing a single ice sample or radar image before they can explain what they have found. Antarctica never gives up its secrets easily. As technology becomes more advanced, researchers expect even greater discoveries. Smarter satellites, powerful robots, and artificial intelligence are helping scientists explore places that were once impossible to reach. Imagine being the first person to discover an ecosystem that has remained untouched for 15 million years. That possibility is exactly what drives many Antarctic researchers to return again and again despite the extreme dangers. Antarctica teaches us an important lesson. Even in the 21st century, our own planet still contains places that remain almost completely unknown. There are mysteries beneath the ice that no human has ever witnessed. Perhaps the next great scientific breakthrough won't come from a distant galaxy. It could come from a hidden lake, an ancient valley, or a tiny organism living beneath Antarctica's endless ice. Until that day arrives, the frozen continent will continue challenging everything we think we know. Every discovery reveals another question, proving that exploration is far from over. The greatest mysteries are often hidden in the places we understand the least. Antarctica remains one of those places, silent, isolated, and waiting for someone to uncover the truth beneath its frozen surface. So, what do you think is really hidden beneath Antarctica? Could future explorers discover something that changes science forever? Or will its greatest secrets remain buried beneath the ice for generations to come? If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to the Hidden Files. Leave a comment with the mystery you want us to investigate next, and join us in uncovering the world's most fascinating hidden stories. Until next time, stay curious.